Welcome to this additional bonus of iWin. Ito po yung tinatawag na Team Development Bonus. So, in-introduce po namin ngayon to as implemented. The binary explanation and be a dealer. So, ang qualifying points po dito, it could be 33 to 100 points po for you to become a dealer. So, your account is in active status for 4 weeks run. Active status dealers are qualified to receive Team Development Bonus, and successive qualifying points is 33 points to remain active in the Team Development Program. Na po? Once again, you can be a dealer of iWin for a 33 points, which is a starter pack, or an elite dealership package of 100 points. Okay? Even starter po dito can qualify po sa binary as long we will meet the requirements, the necessary points required para makinabang po kayo sa binary. But as I've said, additional lang po ito aside po dun sa mga nakita nyo kaninang presentation na iWin payout number 1 up to iWin payout number 6. Alright, let's proceed. For the binary explanation po, meron po tayong sinusunod na cutoff. Ito po yung Monday to Monday. So, nag-start po ang Monday from 12:01 AM to Monday 12 PM. So, midnight po ito. Now, for illustration purposes, para maintindihan nyo po yung tinatawag na 4 weeks run, na po. Example, for the month of December na ho, assuming December po ngayon, and then, ito po yung nagre-represent ng unang linggo. So, unang linggo means 7 days a week. So, any time of the day na pumasok po kayo, no? Any time of the week cut-off na pumasok kayo, that represent your first week run. Alright? So, kahit pumasok po kayo ng Sunday o Saturday o Monday mismo, di ba po ang cut-off 12 midnight, that considered as your first week run. Okay? And then, yung susunod na cut-off po would be your second week, third week, and fourth week. So, in principle, meron na tayong sinunod na 4-week run. So, again, the moment you become a dealer, qualified po kayo sa binary compensation for the rest of the 4-week run. Alright? Oh, sir, pumasok po ako ng Monday. So, kaka-start ko lang po yun, and then sabi nyo, that represents my first week. Yes. Pumasok kayo ng 8, meaning, pasok po kayo dun sa first week cycle. Okay? So, meaning to say, kung titingnan nyo ho, parang 3 weeks na lang yung itatakbo mo if you will consider based on my presentation today. But look at this. Kung titingnan nyo po, this is your end of your 4 weeks. No, ho? Since naintindihan, pina-follow po natin yung cycle, so yung susunod na 5th week, supposedly the 5th week, this represents your first week. No, ho? Di ba pumasok po kayo ng 8 ng Monday? Ibig sabihin, kung titingnan mo natin itong cycle na to, meron pa rin ho kayo until January of first Monday, no? Which is January 5. For illustration purposes to, para maintindihan nyo po. So, you have your this week cycle na kailangan nyong i-qualify ulit yung inyong account. Naintindihan na po. So, by principle, tumakbo din po ng 4 na linggo. Kasi ang thinking nyo po is parang 3 linggo lang din po yung tinakbo nyo. But based on this illustration, no, very clearly na tumakbo pa rin po ng 4 na linggo. Okay? Now, all you have to do is to qualify that week para sa inyong 33 points. No? Ito po yung nakaturo na araw na successive qualifying point is 33 points. So, regardless kung starter ka o elite ka, pagdating po ng ika-5th week, no, you have to maintain your 33 points. Understood po? Para mag-qualify kayo ulit for the next 4-week run. So, hope that's clear to you. On every 5th week run, dealer must meet the qualifying points to qualify in the iWin payout number 6, which is the binary. And the rest, hindi nyo po kailangan huwag nyo kayong mabother dito sa tinatawag ng 4-week run. Huh? Okay, let me explain the team development bonus. Ito po yung presentation ng calendar natin. Week cutoff represents Monday 12:01 AM to Monday 12 midnight. Oh? So, you as a dealer, you are allowed to build 2 legs, no? Under the team development bonus. 2 leg lang po yung kailangan nyo pong build. So, meron po tayong tinatang na left team and right team. Example, meron nung nag-inquire sa inyo dito sa online of Facebook na gusto niya maging iWin dealer. nag-decide po yung tao na gusto niya maging elite. No? So, for an elite package, that corresponds to 100 points. Again, qualified pa rin po kayo dun sa tinatawag na fast track, roll up, uni-level, and matching. Ako, na-in-explain ko po prior to this presentation kanina. And let's say on your right team, may pumasok na starter na 33 points po. Okay? Sa presentation po nito, ang requirement lang naman po dito is for you to meet at least minimum of 100 points to be paired on your left and right. So, meron na kayong additional 1,000. Sa presentation na po ito, sa illustration na ito, wala po for the meantime. So, that is Monday. No? Now, what will happen to your 133 points? Okay, carry over lang po yan the following day. So, meron na kayong 100 points carried over, and then meron kayong 33 points sa right naman po. Example, araw po ng Tuesday, yung nag-apply ho sa inyong dealer, meron din po nag-apply sa kanya na dealer. Hindi lang ho isa, but two. Binuo niya na rin po yung kanyang left and right team. Po, sa scenario na to, this represents your left group, kaya may imaginary line po dito. So, ibig sabihin itong dalawang pumasok na to, whether left or right pa nung ni-refer mo, that is still be part of your left team. So, under scenario, meron ng 100 plus 100, meron nung kayong 200 points na pumasok under your left, which is makikita nyo po ito sa inyong back office, sa inyong account, no po? And example, doon naman po sa kabila, meron nung pumasok na 100 points. Even na starter po siya, at meron nung nagka-interest na maging elite under this person, that will also still be counted on your right team. So, meron nung 100 points under your right. Now, let's compute. Meron kayong carry over na 100 plus current points, 200. So, ang total volume nyo on your left is 300 points. And your total volume on your right is 133. Gaya po ng sabi po kanina, for every 100 paired, at least no, points, 100 paired match, meron na kayong 1,000. So, ibig sabihin dito po, makaka-receive na po kayo ng team development bonus. Alright? So, ngayon, may sobra ho ditong 200 points. Kasi ang total volume nyo ho, yung carry over plus yung current, 300, 33 plus 100, 133. Binayaran lang ho kayo sa 100 points. So, meaning to say, may sumobrang 200 points na carry over again for the next day. And may 33 points na carry over again for the next day. So, that is Wednesday. So, assuming may pinasok din yung dalawang elite po yung dalawang dealer nyo on your right team, so, ibig sabihin may 200 points na pumasok. Sabihin na lang mo natin, araw ng Wednesday, meron po na 33 points. Ang total current points nyo ho, yung previous tsaka yung Wednesday points, 233 plus 233. So, meron ng corresponding na dalawang 100 points na nag-match, di ba po? Kasi minimum is 100. So, may dalawang sets of 200 na nag-match o nag-pair. So, meaning, times 1,000, meron na kayong 2,000 pesos. Maliwanag po. And then again, meron ng sobrang 33 points. Again, will be carry over. And then, sabihin na lang natin under your left, nag-produce ng grupo mo sa left ng 500. So, for araw ng Thursday, meron ng 500 points. And then, let's say, araw naman po ng Thursday pa rin, may nag-produce naman po yung right team nyo. Whether hindi nyo na po ito referral o kayo na po yung nag-create ng mga dealer under your organization, lahat po ng volume down the line will still be accounted under your left and right organization production. Klaro po tayo doon. So, meaning, meron ng 200 points under your right. So, again, total points. So, meron nung kayong how much? 2,000. Since meron nung tayong tinatawag na fifth pair, no? Fifth pair, ibig sabihin makaka-capture ng company para ho maging safety net. So, saan pupunta po yung nawalang 1,000? Babayaran ho kayo ng additional voucher. Itong voucher, pwede pong gamitin ito sa mga redemption item ho natin. No? So, para ho sa future expansion ho natin. So, ibig sabihin, pwede nyo gamitin rin yung pang-shopping ng mga product po ng iWheel. Alright? So, kumbaga, may value pa rin ho yung voucher na yan. Yun nga lang ho, for the safety net, para ma-engage po yung tinatawag na repeat purchase, nag-adapt po ang company ng ganitong programa. Okay? So, may sobra hong 333 points sa kabila. dahil binayaran lang mo kayo doon sa nag-match na 200 points o nag-pair na 200 points. And then, may sobra pa rin 33 na hindi nabayaran po. Mag-iipon lang po yan hanggang maka-reach po ito ng 100 points. So, araw ng Friday, walang volume yung left team mo. So, meaning to say, wala akong nag-match o nag-pair na 100 points. Again, carry over lang po ulit yung points na yan. Hindi po yan mawawala. And then, assuming meron ng 300 points araw ng Saturday, nag-produce yung left team. So, meron na kayong 300. And then, nag-produce ng 500 points on your right. So, meron na kayong 500. So, total points po dito, 633 and 533. So, meaning to say, meron ng 500, no? Na nag-pair. Sa left po is 633. Sa right is 533. So, meaning mayroon nung nag-match o nag-pair na 500 points. So, meaning to say, expected income mo is 5,000 pesos po. But, since meron nung tayong 5 pair, so, ibig sabihin, 4,000 po in cash and additional 1 voucher po. So, nagkakaintindihan po tayo sa patakaran ng voucher. It's every 5th set of 100. Yung ikalimang 100 po ulit. Again, after 10, yung 11, 12, 13, 14, pay cash ulit on the 15th voucher. 16, 17, 18 ng 100 sets. So, ibig sabihin, on the 20th, meron na kayong voucher. So, every 5th, no? So, meron carrying over na 133 and 33 on your left and right. So, may production, let's say, Sunday ng 866 points. At merong production on your right na 900 points. So, 900 plus 33, 933, 866 plus 133 is 999. So, meron na nag-match na 900 points. Supposedly, 9,000 again. And since meron na tayong voucher, every PIP per may tinamaan na ika-PIP po doon, definitely that's another voucher. So, araw po ng Monday. Ito na po, cut-off day na ho natin. This already completed the 1-week cycle, no ho? So, meron na 99 points and 33 points on your Monday production. Carry over. May pumasok na 33 and then 100 points. Kahit cut-off yan. Kunwari, marami naghahabol pero yan lang yun na ipasok. So, 122 points. 132 points and 133 points. So, may nag-match po ng 100 points o nag-pair. Since naka-9 po kayo dito, remember, so 9,000 po supposedly, di ba? So, pumalo na naman ika-10th, no? So, ayan po. So, that's voucher again. Now, lahat po ng income nyo ho, no, na pumasok from Monday to Monday, iipunin po yan. That's why, ang total team development bonus po ninyo, o yung paired points, is equivalent to 1,500 points. No po? Kaya meron ho kayong 15,000, 1,000 plus 2,000 plus 1,000 plus 4,000 plus 8,000. No po? So, 3, 4, 8 plus 8, 16,000. Sorry, no? 16,000 po ito. Nagkamali lang po tayo. Plus 3 vouchers. Na ha? So, again, this is 16,000. Yan po yung income nyo for the week. So, ang cut-off natin Monday, magre-reflect na po yan sa inyong e-wallet. Kasi nga po, hindi po magre-reflect yan kasi may mga nako-content po dito on a daily basis. And then, automatically, after cut-off, bato po yan sa e-wallet nyo. The moment makita nyo na po sa e-wallet nyo po, pwede na po kayo mag-request ng payout. So, let's say, nag-request kayo ng anytime, Monday to Monday, cut-off natin Monday, yung susunod na Friday po, marireceive nyo na po inyong commission. Pwede i-deposit sa inyong bank o pwede rin na ipadala sa anong mga remittance center po. Alright? So, ulitin ko lang po. There is no limit sa level. Wala po tayong tinatang na level dito. O depths, no? Kumbaga, infinity po down the line. Maximum points per week is 8,000 points po. In excess of that, flash out po o safety net po ng kumpanya. Again, for dealership account na po, na active. Now, the maximum income points is 8,000 points equivalent to 80,000 since every 5th pair is voucher. So, lumalabas po ang breakdown ng 80,000 per week is 64,000 cash and 16,000 voucher. So, meaning to say, yung value ng voucher nyo is roughly around 16,000 po. So, 64,000 cash times 4 weeks, that is potential income of 256,000 per month. Now, disclaimer lang po, this is not a promise. This is a merely illustration po. Magva-vary po ang inyong income depende po sa discipline, hard work, commitment, and dedication na nilagay nyo po sa inyong pong business. Na po, just like any business with proper mindset, dedication, working habit, makukuha nyo po itong result na to. Siyempre po, hindi po pare-pareho ang magiging resulta kasi po, iba-iba din po ang inputs ng kanilang working attitude, no? Dahil iba-iba po ang ugali ng tao. So, but again, ito po yung potential. Alright? So, that illustrates the team development bonus po. And then, number 2 is yung tinatag na fast track bonus the moment meron nung kayong recommend na dealer, whether starter or elite po siya. Ang iWin plan number 3, yung roll-up bonus, ito po yung tinatawag na even numbers. Yung 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, mapupunta po, meron na kayo marireceive na roll-up bonus. iWin payout number 4, ito po yung tinatawag nating sales match, will be receiving 50% ng mga ni-roll up nyo ho for whatever income ng roll-up din po nila. Okay, and then yung uni-level is ito po yung mga repeat purchases po nila na 2,000 on a monthly basis naman po. So, may certain percentage po yan, 5% up to 7th level po. And of course, yung in-explain ko po kanina na binary o yung tinatawag naming iWin payout number 6, yung the team development bonus. Alright, so start earning now while using Facebook and while surfing the net. Ano po? Alright, and please contact the person who shared you this video and you can join us now. Alright, but wait, meron na tayong ino-offer na free bonus. If you join us before December 20, 2014, you'll have your personal sales video like this one. Ano po? Sales video that will help you the selling part with your own personal link and contact number. Okay? So act now and join us and be an iWin leader. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.